everyone, welcome back to our milk series. In the past we've been focusing on our techniques, on how to develop your skills to be able to pour latte art, and today we're going to be focusing on the heart. So today we're going to be using the GS3 from La Marzocco. It's the new model with the IoT. We've just finished a video on that one, so check that out on our channel for a bit more info on the machine. And we're going to be doing a couple of different heart patterns for you today. How you can best serve into a latte glass and a cup as well. So come around this side and we'll pour some hearts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a double shot in this small cup. When you're learning, having a little bit more crema to be able to work with is really going to help you learn how to deal with crema. If you don't have enough, you'll tend to have the pattern wash around the cup a lot. And go a little bit cooler on your milk as well. So getting that froth, keeping it spinning nice and glossy. If you're struggling with that, go back and check our other videos on how to froth nice silky milk. Make sure your milk rests. Give it a squirt. Okay. Now. So, swirl your crema, swirl your milk, tilt your cup, get in low and get some foam to get in and under. We want to be nice and central. Just staying there, wiggling, 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 stay there, getting a blob, and then pulling through to get your heart. So, I'm going to do that again in a little bit more basic. You can see we were doing a little wiggle, and then coming back to the middle and creating the base to be able to pull through on. Now, a lot of people, going to make a bit of noise on doing this, I'm sorry. A lot of people struggle with just controlling a heart by itself, and it can be quite big and fat. So we don't want to have that heart being too far forward or too far back in a cup. Because it's round, we really want it to be nice and balanced in the cup. Okay, so you really got to get the base of that foam to go in and under to start. Go around and stop if you need to. Then come back to the middle. If you just kept pouring, you've got to keep going a bit faster and faster, then you can pull through. So that's a big fat heart. So you can't slow down when you're trying to do this really big heart. If you slow down, it's not going to look like a heart at all. So you're actually increasing the speed to make it spread out. Where this one here, we've actually done the wiggling, and that's allowed those to push off the foam and the base that we've actually brought up underneath into the crema and had a reaction that's brought it all the way around. So once you start getting this reaction, yeah, you can start getting lots of lines, but you've got to work out how you're going to finish that heart. And the best way is just to go down low and stop, take a breath, because a lot of people get a bit excited at that time, and then pull through nice and thin. If you're getting these bigger style hearts all the time and you're really struggling to get a finer small heart, I would say progress to start doing a wiggle, and that wiggle will start to change the reaction in that cup and not just get these big blobby style hearts. So there's a place for both of them. It's up to you which way you want to go, but you're probably going to start pouring these out to start with. Try and control that blob and what's happening in the cup, then get into the wiggle, and then you want to get that stopping in the middle of that to get that white circle to be able to pull through. So they're the two progressions essentially that you're going to be doing. Now I want to show you how to push a couple of hearts together. All right, so we're gonna just do some stacked hearts together here. And this is just a different technique, how you control your blob. So actually making a circle and not turning it into sort of an apple shape. So just being able to control a circle. And what you're doing is when you're pouring that blob, you're just pulling backwards a smidge. You're not pushing forward to start to suck it in. So rest and swirl your milk again, swirl your coffee. Okay, so we're going to get our base in there. And we're going to pour a blob. That's it. Pour another blob, and move back, and then you can pull them through. All right, probably not the best version there. It's not something I'm as good at. If you keep pushing forward on those, you'll actually make tulips, and that's going to be in our next video, which I'm much better at. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Hope that's helped you understand hearts. Once you learn other latte art skills, you can always finish beautifully with a heart, top of a Rosetta or the swan's head. They're the little bits that, that hearts are all about. So being able to do a big heart or do a small heart allows you to add more detail into more patterns across the whole range of artwork you can do on coffee. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you've got any questions, hey, shoot us a comment. If you want me to try and pour something particular, let me know and I'll give it a crack. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.